So here I've got a bunch of strands colored per point. This is the same setup as in the previous video, but what if I wanted to have color per strands? Well, it's quite easy to do. We just use two nodes, get strand structure and random value. And I'm going to hook it up first, and then I'm going to explain it. Set these to float 3s. Make sure we have a max value. And now I just have to plug it in, and we got random colors. We can change the seed, and we get a different distribution. And so basically this node here is creating a sequence of colors, and we're using the point strand index to make sure that we're getting one and the same color per points on a strand. Now this is cool, but what if we wanted to actually use specific colors? So here I've got an array of colors, and I want to use those to randomly apply them per strand. I can actually just use this node that I'm using here and repurpose it to work with my array. So I'm setting these to integers, and what I want to do is I want to create indices for each of those colors. So 3 in this case, so I'm going to set the max to 3. And now I can just use a get from array on this array with these indices, and if I apply this, now, as you can see, I've got red, green, and blue here, and we see they're randomly applied. Same thing with the seed. And I think I can do one more thing to make it a little more solid. I can use the node array size, plug this into the max. So now if I cut one color, it should still work. Or I can add colors if I want to. Let's make it white. So now we've got random colors.